Thank you for tuning in to part 4 of this General Aviation Day Out. This is the last video of the series and is the return to the Charlotte Monroe Executive Airport. As the video begins, my last clearance was maintain 3000 until faded. Cleared RNAV approach runway 5 at the Charlotte Monroe Executive Airport. And I am about to cross faded, which is right here on the approach chart.
Alright, we're about 1.5 miles from faded. 053 degrees.
As I just mentioned, crossing faded, the inbound course is 053 degrees, and I can descend to 2,500 feet.
On and turn.
There's my turn to the inbound course. The next fix on the approach is called Jamin, and it is the final approach fix.
Glide slope just came alive.
Number 6 Julie Mike, if you get down to 3, do you want to try to get a visual approach?
Yeah, I think I can do that.
6 Julie Mike, descend and maintain 3000, turn 10 degrees right.
That's 3010 right, 6 Julie Mike.
Number 805 at 5000, proceed back on course.
Bumpy ride.
8 Alpha Zulu, flighting 180, descend and maintain 3000. There are 8 Alpha Zulu, altitude maintain 5,000. We'll go over the top. 8 Alpha Zulu, maintain 5,000. We're going to go over the top of Charlotte. 8 Alpha Zulu, if able, good rate to 5. I was late for your descent.
Julie Mike has Concord in sight.
Number 6 Julie Mike, roger, approach clearance momentarily. You're number 2 into Concord.
Roger.
And departure, November 384 Golf Delta 100, climbing through 2000 for 4000.
6 Julie Mike, clear visual approach runway 20 Concord. Radar service terminated, contact Concord Tower 134.65.
Clear visual to 20, Concord over to Tower, 6 Julie Mike. Charlotte, good afternoon, Skyline 71866.
And departure, November 384 Golf Delta 3000, climbing 4000, 100, scientific.
November 48 Alpha Zulu, turn left heading 100.
Needle just starting to center. Indicating
48 Alpha Zulu,
starting
flight heading
to
100, maintain
intercept that glide
5,000.
slope.
King Air 48 Alpha Zulu.
There it is. Let's go ahead and reduce the power a little bit.
384 Golf Delta, Charlotte departure, radar contact, climb maintain 5,000.
5000 for Golf Delta.
Gear down.
429er Charlotte Sierra, Charlotte expect ILS 20 Concord, descend and maintain 6,000.
Charlotte, good afternoon, Skyline 71866.
November 98 Julie Golf, report cancellation IFR, remain the air through the number on the ground.
Just about to call you. 98 Julia Golf, we got the airport. We'll cancel our IFI now.
98 Julie Golf, IFR cancellation received, squawk VFR, good day. November 384 Golf Delta, contact.
Traffic Calgary, 5 Julius, turning left downwind, runway 23 Monroe.
Monroe traffic, 98 Juliet Golf, about 5 out on the final for runway doing the RNAV approach runway 05. We're going to go ahead and enter the downwind for runway 23. 98 Juliet Golf. I will take it down to 1700 and then I'll arrest the descent and we'll just go ahead and fly the rest of the way to the runway. A bit low.
While I am flying inbound on the RNAV to runway 05, the winds favor landing in the opposite direction on runway 23. Plus, the local traffic is already using that runway, so I will do the same.
Monroe traffic, Calgary 5 Juliet, turning left base runway 23.
Alright, we'll go ahead and break it off at this time in case anybody's coming off the runway straight out. Monroe traffic 98 Juliet Golf, about 2 to the southwest, entering the left downwind for runway 23, Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Calgary 5 Juliet, turning final runway 23, full stop.
Seatbelts, fuel selector. I will switch that fuel selector to the other tank. Landing gear is down, already is down with 3 green. Mixture is rich. Propeller will go up on the propeller. Pull forward. Alright, let's work a little bit low. Gear down, pump on, jump, gasoline, undercarriage, mixture, propeller. Set to land. I see the aircraft that was in the pattern on the runway down there, about to turn off. And Monroe 98 Juliet Golf, midfield downwind, runway 23, full stop, Monroe.
Monroe Unicom, Cessna 81 Lima, taxiing from the run-ups to 23 Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Calgary 5 Juliet, clear runway 23 and Alpha 5.
Alright, we're good. Let's go ahead and reduce the power, add a little bit more flaps. Everything is set. I haven't heard anybody else in the pattern. I don't see anybody in the pattern. Monroe 98 Juliet Golf, the base leg, runway 23, full stop, Monroe.
Monroe traffic, Calgary 5 Juliet, taxiing Alpha 5, runway 23.
Nobody coming straight in? Nope. Turn to the final. 98 Juliet Golf on the final now, runway 23, Monroe.
Traffic not available.
That looks good. On altitude, I kind of nice vision approach slope indicator. Gear down once again.
Flaps retract. Lights, camera, action. Lights off, transponder off, and fuel pump off.
Monroe Unicom, Cessna 81 Lima is taking runway 23 Monroe.
98 Juliet Golf, clear the active 23 Monroe.
Welcome back to the Charlotte Monroe Executive Airport. Now it's over to the tie-down area to secure the aircraft for the day. And that is where this video will come to an end. I certainly hope you enjoyed today's flight. Until the next time, remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.